There's something that happens when you bring natural materials into your home. The whole space softens, the air feels lighter, and there's this sense of openness and expansion. That's what this video is all about. 14 simple, beautiful changes that connect your home to the natural world, just beyond your door. Nothing complicated, nothing that requires a renovation or a big budget, just small, intentional touches that shift how your home looks, feels, and breathes. So, let's bring the outside in. Linen has this relaxed, lived-in texture that instantly makes a room feel cooler and calmer, like the kind of summer afternoon you want to curl into. It's one of the simplest ways to bring that breezy, outdoor feeling inside without doing anything dramatic. Just pull off the heavier patterned pillow covers and swap in a few linen ones in soft, natural tones like oatmeal, cream, a soft sage if you're feeling it. It's such a small move, but it changes how the whole room breathes. Your space starts to feel like it's catching a breeze, even with the windows closed. That's the outside coming in, through texture, through tone, through the way linen just feels like summer. Today's change is a beautiful one. Add a potted herb garden to your kitchen. This is one of the most literal ways to bring the outside in, living plants, right where you cook. A little row of basil, mint, and rosemary on your windowsill or counter fills your kitchen with fragrance and color, and reminds you every single day that nature belongs inside your home too. Terracotta pots are perfect here. They're warm, a little imperfect, and they just feel like summer. A few small pots, some fresh soil, and a sunny spot is all it takes. Within a week, you'll have something growing, something alive, right there in the heart of your home. Today, let's hang a woven jute wall piece. Jute comes straight from the earth. It's a natural plant fiber, and when it's woven into a wall hanging, it brings that grounded, organic energy right into your home. It's one of those quietly powerful ways to let nature into a space that might not have a window or a plant shelf. Pick one spot that's been feeling a little bare, above a console table, beside a window, over a reading chair. Hang it, step back, and notice how much warmth one piece of natural texture adds. It makes a wall feel intentional, alive, and connected to something outside your four walls. Today, we're going to bring the outside in by switching to cotton slipcovers. Cotton is a natural fiber. It comes from the earth, it breathes, and it has this easy, relaxed quality that instantly makes a room feel more in tune with the season. Swapping heavy upholstery for a simple cotton slipcover is a quiet nod to nature, lighter, softer, more in harmony with warm weather and open windows. A cream or white cotton cover over a chair or sofa instantly lifts the whole room. It's easy to wash, easy to live in, and it makes everything feel a little more doors open, breeze coming through. That's the outside coming in, through the fabric, through the feel of your home. Here's today's change, and it might be the most direct one yet. Bring in fresh cut greenery. This is bringing the outside in at its most literal, clipping something living from your yard and placing it right inside your home. A few branches of eucalyptus, some leafy stems from a shrub, even a handful of wildflowers in a simple vase, they instantly make a room feel alive and connected to the natural world just outside your door. Set it on your kitchen island, your coffee table, or your entryway console. The point isn't perfection. A slightly wild, just-clipped look is exactly right. Let it be imperfect. Let it be real. That's the whole idea. A fun way to bring the outside in is to style a tray with stones and shells. When you bring natural objects indoors, things you found on a walk, at the beach, or even in your own backyard, you're creating a real connection between your home and the natural world. A simple wood or ceramic tray, filled with smooth stones, shells, or a piece of driftwood, tells the story of a home that pays attention to what's beautiful outside and brings it in. Arrange it simply on a coffee table, console, or kitchen counter. Let it be a little collection, a little memory of somewhere you've been, or something you've noticed. It's a small thing, but it adds so much warmth and meaning to a surface. Add a wood slice riser to your table and watch what happens to the whole surface. A wood slice is about as close to nature as a home accessory gets, literally a cross-section of a tree, with all its rings and grain and texture intact. Setting one on your table as a riser brings that raw, natural element right into the center of your home. Place a candle on top, a small plant, or a simple vignette of things you love. Build a little moment on it, nothing complicated, just something that catches your eye and reminds you that the most beautiful materials come straight from the earth. It's a quiet, grounding touch, and one of the easiest ways to bring the outside in. Swap your dark artwork for botanical prints and let the garden come to your walls. Botanical prints are artwork rooted in the natural world. Illustrations of leaves, stems, wildflowers, ferns. Hanging them is one of the loveliest ways to bring the outside in, even in a room without a single plant or a window with a view. Heavy, dark frames can make a space feel closed in, especially in summer. Botanical prints do the opposite. They open a room up, bring in a sense of growth and life, and create that feeling of being quietly surrounded by nature. You don't need original art. Simple, affordable prints in natural wood or white frames work beautifully. Swap one piece and watch how the whole wall breathes differently. Put a basket by the back door and bring a little bit of the natural world right to your threshold. Wicker and seagrass baskets are made from natural plant materials, essentially the outdoors, woven into a functional shape. And the back door is the perfect spot for one, because that's where summer life flows in and out. Shoes, garden gloves, a sun hat, a leash, an armful of herbs from the garden. Give all of that a home in a beautiful natural basket. It's functional, yes, but it also marks that space between outside and in with something warm and grounded. A simple touch that makes the whole entryway feel connected to the life happening just beyond the door. Bring a terracotta pot indoors and let the garden follow you inside. Terracotta is sun-baked earth, one of the oldest and most natural materials we can bring into our homes. Moving a pot from the patio or garden inside is a beautifully simple way to blur that line between outdoors and in. It doesn't even need a plant. An empty terracotta pot has its own quiet beauty. Set it on a windowsill, a bookshelf, or on the floor beside a piece of furniture. That warm, earthy tone pairs beautifully with linen, wood, and white ceramics, and it brings a grounded, organic energy to any room. It says, nature lives here too. Add linen window panels and change the way the light comes into your home. Linen is a plant-based fabric made from the flax plant, and it has this natural, slightly textured quality that feels genuinely connected to the earth. Hanging linen panels at your window does something beautiful. It filters sunlight in the softest way, lets a breeze move through the fabric, and creates that feeling of being somewhere warm and open, even indoors. Choose one window that's been feeling heavy or dark, and make the swap. Watch how the light in that room changes throughout the day, the way it moves through the fabric, the way it shifts with the sun. That's the outside coming in the most gentle and lovely way. Style an outdoor reading nook and give yourself a real reason to step outside. This one works both ways. When you have a beautiful spot outdoors that feels as comfortable and intentional as a room inside, you start spending more time there, more time surrounded by trees and light and fresh air. The outside stops being somewhere you pass through and becomes somewhere you actually live. You don't need much. A single comfortable chair, a small side table, a soft throw. Set it somewhere with shade, add a candle or a small plant, a stack of books. That's all it takes to create a spot that gently pulls you into the season. Layer a jute rug over your carpet and bring some of the earth's best texture indoors. Jute is a natural plant fiber, rough, warm, and beautifully textured. Laying a jute rug over carpet is a clever way to bring that organic, earthy material into a room that might otherwise feel a little removed from the natural world. It adds texture and warmth without tearing anything out or spending a lot. Choose a size that works for your space. Even a smaller jute rug under a coffee table makes a real difference. The contrast between the soft carpet below and the natural weave on top creates something layered and interesting, like the layers you'd find in nature itself. Grounded, warm, and quietly connected to the earth. Create a simple herb centerpiece and bring something living right to the heart of your home. Fresh herbs on your table are one of the most beautiful ways to bring the outside in. They're living, fragrant, and rooted in the natural world in a way that no store-bought arrangement can quite replicate. Rosemary, thyme, mint, snip a few stems, tuck them into a white ceramic vase or pitcher, and set them right where you gather. Every time you sit at that table, you'll smell something green and alive. You'll see something growing. It's such a small thing, but it creates a real connection to the natural world right at the center of your home. And that's what this whole series has been about, finding ways, big and small, to bring the outside in. And that's 14 ways to bring the outside in. Small changes, natural materials, and a home that feels connected to the world beyond its walls. The beautiful thing about all of these is that you don't have to do them all at once. Pick one that resonates, try it this week, and notice how it shifts the feeling of your space. That's really all it takes to start. If this video inspired you, please like it and subscribe for more home decorating inspiration. I'll see you in the next one.